everyone. We're going to do a bouncy sound, and it's eh, 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 eh. Eh, 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 eh. Eh, 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 eh. Excellent. Oh, F for excellent. Let's have a little look at our picture cards today. Oh, what are we looking at here? This is the boys' elbow. Well done. Elephant. Envelope. And egg. And this egg is going to help us to write the sound today. So I'm going to get my pen, and you can watch as I draw the sound on the board. And I'm going to say eh. It's an egg. Where's the egg? Shall we draw it? I'm going to draw the bottom bit of the egg here. It's all cracked. And the top bit of the egg here, all cracked. There's our egg. So we're going to say egg. Great. Now I'm going to write the sound, and we're going to say Shall we have a look at our picture card? See if it's the same. Here is the egg, and here is the sound So, egg, egg, So, if I show you the picture, it's an egg. If I show you the sound, it's just the sound Okay, let's go. Well done. Egg. And one more. Egg again. Right, we'll leave it there so we can see it. Now, I've added the sound card to our pile, but we can't leave it at the front. Where does it need to go? Hide it in the middle. Where can it go? There we go, inside. So when we get to it, don't forget to point on a new sound, which is Good try. So let's go. K, O, G, P, M, A, S. Well done. Excellent pointing to the sound D, T, E, N, K, O, B, and back to K again. Excellent. You are doing so well. Now then, we need to aerate before we can practice writing our sound. And we need to learn the phrase that's going to help us. And what we need to say this time is, lift off the top and scoop out the egg. That's what you do when you're eating it, isn't it? You cut off the top and then you can scoop out the egg. Okay? So we're going to draw a line to lift off the top, and then we're going to scoop the egg out. Okay? Fingers ready for aerating. And we're going to say, lift off the top and scoop out the egg. So you need to make sure you draw a line and then scoop it out. Okay, one more try. Lift off the top and scoop out the egg. Okay? So I'm going to practice on my board as you practice at home. And we're all going to be saying, lift off the top and scoop out the egg. Watch me do the first one, just because I think it can be a little bit tricky. Ready? Lift off the top and scoop out the egg. Did you see that? Lift off the top and scoop out the egg. Okay? So you keep practicing at home. Lift off the top and scoop out the egg. There's my egg. Now, I'm going to rub these out because now we're going to try practicing some of the other sounds that we have learned. Now, I don't think we've done a for a while. So let's make sure we can all do a and make sure those mountains are the same size. So what do we say? Maisie, mountain, mountain. Well done. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Great. Now I think we'll do one that's a different shape. I think we'll do a G. Can you remember the girl? Round her face and down her curl. Ready? Round her face and down her curl. Yeah, you got that at home? Great. And I think we will practice a N. Okay? Down knobby and over the net. Because I think sometimes we don't always go down first. That's why we need to remember the phrase. Down knobby and over the net. Let's have a try. Down knobby and over the net. There we go. Our 3 speed writing sounds for today. Now, Fred has been working hard to think of some sounds and to think of some words with our S sound in. Now, you need to listen and see whether the S sound comes at the beginning of the word or whether the E sound is in the middle of the word. Okay? Here he is. Hi, Fred. So, you got some sounds for us? First one, okay. I'll tell them. P, E, N. Pen. Well done. Yeah. E, N, D. End. End. Now, where did the S sound come that time? At the beginning, it did. Where's it going to come this time? P, E, G. Peg. Now, it wasn't at the beginning this time. P, E, G. It was in the middle. Peg. Okay. G, E, T. Get. Excellent. Well done, everybody. You've worked so hard. Bye. See you next time.